my channel, please subscribe and click bell icon to get latest notification. This video is mainly created for people who is looking for job in Germany. You can search for the jobs in Germany in two ways. First, you can search job from your home country. For example, if you are in India, then you can search for the job from India. Second, you can come to Germany and then you can start looking for the job. But the main important thing to consider is visa. If you want to come Germany and then search for a job, then you need job seeker visa. Now you want to look for a job and you don't know how to start and where to start. Let's see how to start job search in Germany. Job title. Based on your experience, skill set, and the area which you are looking for job, you have to set your mind accordingly to specific job title, and then start searching job based on this specific job title. Requirements. What are the things you need in order to start with your job search? First main important thing is your CV. Next, cover letter. Then, certificate. In German, you need all these three documents when you look for a job. CV in German it is called as Lebenslauf. Cover letter in German it is called as Anschreiben. Certificate in German it is called as Zeugnis. This certificate is nothing but your university certificate or the diploma certificate, all these kinds of certificates. Website for job search. The German government itself is providing a website for people who is looking for a job. So you can make use of this government website so that any company who is having vacancy in their company, they used to post in this government website. Other than this government website, you can also make use of some common websites which is being used in Germany for searching job. One, linkedin.de. This helped me a lot when I was looking for a job. And then you can also use xing.de, which is also very popular in Germany for job search. Most of the companies, mainly if the company is based out of German, they used to post most of their vacancies in xing.de and linkedin.de. You can also look for other websites where you can search for jobs, which is given in description below. You can apply jobs directly in company website and subscribe to the newsletter for vacancies to get notified. Next point, networking. Create some social networking, and through that collaboration you can search for the jobs by getting referrals from a person who is working in a specific company. This will make your search bit easier so that you can get into the interview directly by the referred person. Next, job fair. If you are in Germany, then sometimes Germany used to conduct a job fair based on the city. So you can try to attend those job fairs so that you will come to know which German company is available and what is the current job market trend. You can go with your CV and cover letter directly to this kind of job fair, and you can introduce yourself to the companies and you can submit your CV in the job fair directly. Sometimes you will also get a chance Through this job fair, your CV can be selected. Coming to the main important topic, CV preparation. In German, you need to follow standard guideline for preparing CV. Your CV should be in German format. German format in the sense you have to follow the guidelines of Germany. You should not include more than 4 pages in your CV. So please prepare your CV in such a way it is having only 2 or 3 pages. And then the next important thing is professional photo. So always in your CV, make sure you attach the professional photo. Your professional photo should be in business costume, right? And then always mark your last experience at the top, so that people will get aware that okay, so you are currently working in this company, or this is your recent experience. Whenever you are applying for any job, based on that job description, match your CV. Give at least some details about that job description in your CV as well, so that it will be easily matched according to the job description. And then, and most important thing, don't forget to include your language skills in your CV. Why? Because in Germany, always the company used to expect at least basic German skill, so they can easily identify from your CV how much language experience you have. For example, in English, you can put you are at C2 level, and in German language, if you are at the basic level, then you can put A1. So please include this German language skill. It is also not that easy in Germany to find an English speaking job, so it is better to learn German parallelly when you started looking for a job. So if you haven't seen my first video about learning German, please see the description below and start learning German. Please prepare your CV as described here. Include personal details, career summary, work experience, your education, and your skills. To be included in cover letter. Always mention in cover letter how suitable are you for that company which you are going to apply, and what is your major expertise skill. Initially in Germany, when you are looking for a job, you might get many rejection emails, but don't give up. Even when I started looking for a job, I faced a lot of rejections, and finally I improved my CV step by step, and I improved my cover letter step by step. And after doing all these things, at one particular stage, I started getting calls from many of the companies. So don't think like it's very tough to get job in Germany without German skill, because I found a job without any German knowledge initially, but I didn't stop with it. I just started learning German parallelly, so it helped me in my career. So I am at the final end of this video. I think this video helped in some way. Okay, so now in this video you learned at least where to search for the job and how to start for searching job in Germany. So now good luck for you. Good luck with your job search. Whatever I am explaining in this video, it is completely based on my experience when I started looking for a job. Again, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, like, and then press bell icon. Thank you. Bye.